Understanding Board Examinations, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used term in the education sector, board examinations. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what board examinations really mean, how they are conducted, and why they are important. So, let's dive in. Board examinations refer to a set of exams that are conducted by various educational boards. These exams are typically taken by students at the end of their secondary or higher secondary education. The purpose of these exams is to evaluate the students' knowledge and skills in various subjects and to determine their eligibility for higher education or professional courses. Board examinations are crucial as they often dictate the academic and career paths of students. Board examinations are conducted in a formal and standardized manner. These exams are usually held annually and are overseen by an educational board, such as the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, in India, the College Board in the United States. The exams cover a wide range of subjects, and the question papers are prepared and evaluated by experts. Standardized testing procedures are followed to ensure fairness and uniformity across all test centers. The results of board examinations are highly significant. They are used for multiple purposes, such as determining eligibility for further education, like college or university admission, assessing the academic proficiency of students in various subjects, serving as a benchmark for educational standards in a country. It's important to note that the impact of these exams can vary from one country to another. Preparing for board examinations requires dedication and strategic planning. Here are some tips. Start early. Begin your preparation well in advance to cover all subjects thoroughly. Use past papers. Practice with previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern. Seek help. Don't hesitate to ask teachers or tutors for guidance or clarification on difficult topics. Stay healthy. Remember to take care of your physical and mental health during the preparation period. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of board examinations. These exams play a vital role in the educational journey of a student and can open doors to future opportunities. Remember, good preparation and a positive mindset are key to succeeding in these exams. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your learning journey.